everybody. We are on day 7 of the Wolfe Non Surgical course here in Calgary, in Airdrie. And I just want to talk to you a little bit about how powerful this bodywork is and how everybody needs it in their families because of the relief you would be able to give them and just overall feel so much better about yourself. So we are in Airdrie right now. We will be going to Australia in August, and we still have some spots available, so if you want to book in for that, or in October we'll be in Bonita Springs, Florida. That will be the last course for this year, so book your spots while you still can, because that will be the end of our current world tour right now. And just to show you a little bit about what we're doing today, we're doing wrist and hand right now. And lots of people will get carpal tunnel or different issues in their wrists that can cause you to feel limited, or like you can't do as much as you normally would be able to. And just a simple wrist treatment gives you so much relief, and your hand will feel so much lighter when you're done, and it's truly amazing. So I also wanted to say that I'm a part of the Women's Pelvic Restoration Disease Prevention Masterclass, so we can totally help any woman restore the pelvic floor and strengthen it, and just help you feel get your power back, because a lot of people have been out of touch of it for a long time. Lots of people don't talk about it. Like the older generation also will feel like it's a taboo subject. They won't even touch or talk about it. It's there for the husbands, but no, it's here for us. We need to know how to take care of ourselves and nourish ourselves properly, and it's such a powerful course. We have 2 spots left here in Airdrie, which will be August 4th to the 6th. And so I encourage you to come join us. And if you can't hear or you want to travel, we'll be in Australia beginning of September. You can go to bhnuniversity.com or braveheartnation.com to double check the dates and locations we'll be in. But we will also we're in Airdrie now, we will be going to Australia, and then also in Bonita Springs, Florida. So I encourage you. It's such a powerful course, and especially if you've taken the whole life coach course and the Wolfe Non Surgical course, you will feel like it's the icing on the cake. Like it kind of ties everything together, and you will feel amazing after. I can guarantee you that. So yeah, we have those courses coming up, and then I also do Perfect Day Consultations with the Doc of Detox. So at docofdetox.com/consultations. I can help you create a perfect day if you're feeling like you need a bit of help or a guide or a coach. I'm here. I'm happy to help and in any way that I can, and just help you get feeling amazing again and living your perfect day every day. So I hope you all have a beautiful day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.